Whether you stocked up on discounted ground beef that needs to be cooked immediately, or you want to save yourself some time in the future, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze ground beef the easy way. Now, I've just browned some ground beef for another video and I've let it cool down completely. You can freeze seasoned ground beef or plain with salt and pepper or without any seasoning, giving you the most flexibility later when you're ready to use it in a recipe. Making sure that your ground beef has fully cooled down is super important because after that, you'll transfer the cooled ground beef inside a zip bag or a freezer-safe container. By the way, if you enjoy quick tip videos just like this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel for you. Now, if you're using a zip bag, make sure to label it with the type of ground beef and how much of it is in the bag. Now, all you have to do is let the air out, seal it, and freeze it. Now, it's going to stay in the freezer for up to 6 months, but one quick tip before you leave this video is to take into account that some of the fat has been removed during the cooking process. So when you heat it up or use it in your future recipes, you're gonna need to add a little bit of oil or butter, some cheese, or a sauce to bring it back to freshly cooked goodness. Now, to see how I browned it, make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.